Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable a crosshair on your TCL 27G64. So first, let's head over to the settings by clicking the white button beside the TCL. Now go to the left to the menu, and here in the game mode we will have the crosshair. So as you guys can see here, we can enable it. We can choose this one for an example, and whenever we leave those settings we will have the crosshair. It's not the best, it's not the worst, but still you've got a built-in crosshair inside of your monitor, so I feel like that's pretty great. You guys can also change it to something else like a circle for an example, and here as you guys can see it looks like that. And now if we want to disable it, then we will simply go here and select off. Now we should get rid of our crosshair, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.